explaining and resolving dE1 and dE2 error codes on an LG front-load washing machine. LG makes it easy to diagnose a problem with your washing machine, saving you time on troubleshooting calls. If an issue occurs, the washer is programmed to display error messages that may help you get your machine up and running again. If you see a dE1 error code on your front-load washer, this indicates that the washer's door is open and not locked. The error code may look like dE1 or dEl on your unit's display. If you see a dE2 error code, that indicates that the washer door is closed but not locking. In either case, to resolve the issue, unplug the washer for 10 seconds. Then plug the washer back in, ensure that the door is completely closed, and restart the cycle. If the dE1 or dE2 error code persists, the unit will require a repair service. Close the house water taps and unplug the washer. Then visit our Request a Repair page. If you need further assistance, please visit lg.com/us/support.